Yes, YouTube, welcome back. This is part 2. Right, we're back. We're gonna head back towards Sheffield. I've just opened my fast. I'm just gonna have a bit of a Twix just to give my body some sugar. I've had my dates and I'm gonna head back. Right, so I'm not gonna commentate during the drive. I just want you to enjoy as we head back. Right, here we go. Your favors of your Lord are you gonna deny? This place is beautiful. Go for it. Focus. Oh damn. Son of a bitch. What the fuck are you doing? Muppet. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. It's been a nice little drive. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more POV videos. I'll let you know about the TTC, the true twin conversion. Personally, I do like it. I do enjoy it. I do believe also that the gearbox is responding a lot faster as well compared to it being in sequential. It does act a bit lazy at times, whereas in TTC, as soon as I put my foot on it's kicking down straight away. And because it's got the torque in sequential, it don't kick down sometimes. So with it being in this mod, in the TTC mode, it's kicking down pretty much straight away. Look, as soon as I put my foot on the gas pedal, it's dropping down a gear or dropping down two, depending on what gear I'm in, and it goes. So it is behaving like a single turbo. But yeah, I'm kind of liking it. So I'm going to keep it. I didn't change it over to sequential. I do like it as it is. So yeah, guys, thanks. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It does help this channel massively. And share if you like it. Share it to your friends, anybody that's a car guy. Share it out as much as possible. Again, anything like that doesn't cost you anything, but it's helping me massively. Peace out, love. We'll see you in the next one.